scatter diagrams 散點圖 Let's have a look. Scatter diagrams are used to find the relationship between two sets of data. Okay? Relationship between two sets of data. Corresponding values from the two sets of data will form ordered pairs. Each ordered pair is represented by a dot on graph paper. All those dots together will form a scatter diagram. Okay, that means we'll have several dots. Okay, and all together form this diagram. Okay, let's see. There are three possible types of relationship between two sets of data: positive relationship, negative relationship, and no obvious relationship. What means of these three relationships? Let's see. In here, positive, that means one set of data increase with the values of the other sets of data. That means if A increase, B also increase. Okay, then we'll have this trend. You see, the trend seems like this. Okay, how about negative relationship? The values of one set of data increase while the values of the other set of data decrease. That means this one increase, then this one decrease. And you found that the trend will become like this. Okay. The third one, no obvious relationship. That means when the values of one set of data increase, the values of other set of data may increase or decrease at the same time. Okay, that means if this one increase, you cannot see the trend here for the others. Okay, so this one we say that no obvious relationship, 冇明顯嘅關係。Okay, let's see some more example. Example 29. Example 29. Here, this graph, let's have a look. The month sales of two fast food shops, A and B, last year are shown in the scatter diagram. The question now says, is there any relation between the monthly sales of these two fast food shops? Explain your answer. Okay, before we answer this question, let's see the points. For example, here we have a point P. Okay, what means of point P? Do you know? Okay, let's study this diagram. The diagram has a title here, the monthly sales of two fast food shops. One is shop B, the monthly sale of the fast food shop B. One is shop A. Okay, and for the units, $1 million. $1 million. Okay, that means here 0.1 means what? $0.1 million. Okay, that means like this. $100,000. Okay, so let's see. Here point P means for the shop A. For shop A, that's 0.12. Okay, have a look. Shop A, let's start from here. at this point. Okay, for the shop B, let me from here to this one. Okay, once clearly, maybe enlarge it and read it correctly. Oh, maybe this one. Okay, roughly we can see that here is the point. So how much for shop B? It's about 0.39. Okay, both of them $1 million. Okay, so in one of the months of last year, okay, shop A will have $120,000 and shop B $390,000, or just simply say that 0.12 million and 0.39 million stores. Understand? Okay, let's see. Is there any relationship between the monthly sales of these two fast food shops? Here, you may say that, is it have a trend like this? Right? So you can see that, okay, answer like this. Two fast food shops have a negative relationship, right? And explain it. And you can see that since the monthly sales of fast food shop A increase. Okay, you see fast food shop A increase, maybe up to this point, then you see that while the other one that means the monthly sale of fast food shop B decrease. That's why we have this negative relationship. Okay? Understand? Maybe let's see one more example. Example 30. The scatter diagram shows the monthly sales of ice cream and hot drinks in a store last year. Again, last year, another shop, okay, in the store, two things. One is the ice cream and one is the hot drinks. Okay, last year and monthly sale, there is different months. Okay, what is the monthly sales? Let's see. Vertically is the hot drinks. Okay, about the hot drinks. Horizontally is the ice cream. Okay, what can you see? And this time maybe you say that, okay, seems like the same as above. So find the diagram. From the diagram, is there a relationship between the monthly sales of ice cream and hot drinks? Okay, so easy to answer. This one, they have a negative relationship, right? Since the monthly sales of ice cream increase, while The other one, name is the hot drinks. Decrease. Okay, so this one easy. You can see the relation between two sets of data. Okay, later on we'll have a look how to construct a scatter diagram.